My plan for the day was to get drunk. My plan kind of fell through.
What happened?
Did you give Kathy my number?
What?
Yeah, she's been calling me a lot. I mean, I don't answer. And then, like, she changed her name to Cassidy on my phone, and she started calling. I don't even know how she changed it. Wait. Maybe it was somebody else.
Yeah.
Why are you filming?
I want to see the fucking shit on my back.
I think it might actually be shit. It's hard to tell.
Let me see. Al, did you fucking shit on my back?
It did not shit
How
on
did
your
you
back.
shit? How did I get shit on my back?
I don't
How
know.
the fuck did I get shit on my back?
Well, yeah, rub it off on the bench. There's gonna be people coming over. They're gonna come over and ask us about this.
That's where the fuck it came from. Must have, because I was sitting on this fucking bench.
Well, I'm leaving.
No, don't you dare go. Not with my camera you are. Alex! Alex! Motherfucker, I'm gonna jump on you and...
Nature documentary. Bambi. With house in background.
International money transfer. You know, it's things like that that really remind me that there's more than one country in the world. Fine, ignore me, little bitch.